Hello, how's everyone doing? Welcome to Karena's Toned Up Kitchen. Today I want to share a recipe with you. It is in honor of boosting our immunity right now, which is key for all of us to stay healthy through the season. The main ingredient, which gives us our vitamin C boost, is the Toned Up Vitamin C Collagen. 550% of your daily vitamin C needs right here in one serving. One serving of vitamin C is 2 scoops. I'm gonna do 1 scoop of that, and then I'm also going to add the Toned Up plant-based protein, which is the unsweetened vanilla. I really wanna just have the flavor of the orange cream, and I'm also putting fresh OJ squeezes in there, bananas, and a little ice because I didn't freeze my bananas. But you know, our #1 tip for frozen fruit and smoothies is to freeze your bananas. And then oat milk. I've been loving oat milk in my coffee and my smoothies lately. So let's mix it. Cheers to immunity and feeling beautiful from the inside out. So good.